Hello everyone, welcome to Wisdom Oak Study Circle. In this video, we'll discuss mathematics syllabus for competitive exams like Sainik School, RMS and Navodaya. So in mathematics, first chapter is number system. Number system. So we know numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are the numbers, but there are different types of numbers. So what are the different types of numbers? First one is natural numbers. It is also called as counting numbers or counting numbers. So these numbers are used to count like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are called natural numbers. This set we denote by n. This is the smallest set of numbers. Then we observe here only positive are there, but 0 is not included. So we'll include 0. Then this natural set becomes whole number set. That is, I include 0 in this set, whole numbers. It is represented by W. So in natural number set, I include 0. Then this set becomes set of whole numbers. Difference between set of natural numbers and whole numbers is 0 is included in whole numbers. So all natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers because 0 is there. Then again we can observe here natural numbers are there, whole numbers are there, all are positive. Let us include some more numbers, those are negative. Next comes set of integers. So we call them integers. We denote this set by Z. Here 0 plus 1 is there, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Even I include minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Okay, so difference between these three sets. All integer sets are not whole numbers or neither natural numbers, but all natural numbers are integers. All whole numbers are integers. So to remember this, I take, this is one small box. Here I'll put only natural numbers. Then I'll take little bit bigger box. Here 0 is included, so it becomes W, whole numbers. Then I'll take a bit larger one like this. Here these are integers. Now all natural numbers are whole numbers, all whole numbers are integers, but reverse is not true. So to remember this, we can put small boxes into bigger box, but bigger box you cannot put it to smaller box. In this way, all natural numbers are whole numbers, all whole numbers are integers, but you cannot put this box into this. That's why set of integers, all numbers are, that is all integers are not whole numbers or natural numbers. So remember N, W, Z. So these are types of numbers. Then comes again in whole numbers, we can subdivide. What are they? So whole numbers as you know, whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here in this one again I divide these numbers as even numbers and odd numbers. Odd numbers. So again, what are even numbers and odd numbers? Even numbers means the numbers which are divisible by 2. Which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. Example, even 0 is divisible by 2. Then 2, 4, 6 and so on. These are all even numbers. So smallest even whole number is 0 and smallest even natural number is 2. Okay, then what are odd numbers? Numbers which are not divisible by 2, not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. So examples 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. The smallest odd number is 1. Okay, then so these are even numbers and odd numbers. If we add two even numbers, we get even number only. If you subtract two even numbers, again we get even number. Next, if you add even number and odd number, we get even number. Because, for example, I take even number 4, odd number 3. Then what it becomes? 4 plus, it is even plus odd is always odd. Even plus odd is always odd. Because 4 plus 3, we take 7. But odd number plus odd number is always even. Why it is so? Because two odd numbers, I take 3 and 5. If you add these two, you will get 8. Why always odd plus odd is even? Because see here, 2 can be written as 2 plus 1. 5 can be written as 4 plus 1. So 2 plus 4, that is even plus even is even. Here we get 1 plus 1, that is 2. That's why odd plus odd is even. So this is about even numbers and odd numbers. Next we have some more numbers. Those are again two types of numbers are there. Those are prime numbers and composite numbers. Composite numbers. So what are prime numbers and composite numbers? Prime numbers means they are prime, like they are divisible by 1 and the same number only. Same number. So other numbers cannot divide these numbers. That's why they are called as prime numbers. For example, if I take 3, what are factors of 3? 1 and the number itself. If I take 2, what are factors of 2? 1 and 2. If I take 4, what are factors of 4? 1, even 2, even 4. Okay. So here these two are prime numbers because they are divisible by 1 and the same number itself. Here also divisible by 1 and the same number itself. But 4 is divisible by 1, 2 and the same number. This is extra. Then it is not a prime number, but it is a composite number. So overall, to remember prime numbers and composite numbers, prime numbers have 2 factors. Composite numbers have more than 2 factors. Okay, so here question is whether 1 is a prime number or not. 1 is divisible by 1 only. That number itself means 1. So it has only one factor. But what is the rule? Prime number, it should have 2 factors and composite numbers more than 2. Here it is only one factor is there. That's why 1 is neither prime nor composite. Nor composite. Okay, remember this. So now the smallest prime number is 2 and it is the only even prime number. Remaining all are odd prime numbers. So this is important question. The smallest prime number is 2 and it is the only even prime. and the smallest composite number is 4. So composite numbers are those which have more than 2 factors. So this is about prime numbers and composite numbers. This is basic of number system. In next videos we'll study these numbers in detail. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.